everyone! It's me, Mimi. And today we're making something super yummy and perfect for Christmas dinner. It's honey-glazed roast chicken with herb stuffing and cranberry sauce. Let's get started. First, we need a whole chicken. It's a big bird, so make sure a grown-up helps you. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, in a bowl, mix honey, soy sauce, olive oil, minced garlic, paprika, salt, and pepper. Rub this all over the chicken. Don't forget to get under the skin for extra flavor. Let it sit and soak up all the goodness for at least 30 minutes. While our chicken is marinating, let's make the stuffing. In a pan, sauté some chopped onion and celery until they're nice and soft. In a big bowl, combine bread cubes, our sautéed veggies, dried cranberries, chopped parsley, dried thyme, and chicken broth. Mix it all together until it's moist but not soggy. Stuff this delicious mix into our chicken's tummy and tie the legs with kitchen twine. Now it's roasting time. Place the chicken on a roasting rack, cover it loosely with foil, and bake for 1 hour. Then, remove the foil, baste the chicken with its yummy drippings, and roast for another 30 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown and the inside reaches 165 degrees. While the chicken is roasting, let's make our cranberry sauce. In a saucepan, combine fresh cranberries, orange juice, sugar, and a cinnamon stick. Simmer it over medium heat until the cranberries burst and the sauce thickens. Don't forget to take out the cinnamon stick before serving. And voila! Our honey-glazed chicken is ready. Serve it with the stuffing and cranberry sauce on the side. You can add mashed potatoes or roasted veggies to make it a complete feast. This dish brings so much warmth and happiness to the table. It's shiny and sweet, just like Christmas magic. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye!
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your enthusiasm keeps me going. Jecht DIY video signing off. Take care, everyone.